What's up, guys? Today I want to show off my brand new used pistol, and it's the P365XL, and this is the NRA edition. And I think I picked it up for a pretty good price as well, as you can see. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing and show you everything that came in the box. Okay, got the price tag. Piece of paper. P365. I think the pamphlet right here. Right. Okay. And then the useless ATF. And I think the useless lock came in as well. Okay, let's put this to the side. And my version came with two magazines. It came with the flush fitting 12 round magazine and the extended 15 round magazine. So as you can see, this model does not have the safety, and that's one thing that I'm probably going to put on the pistol. I like having this safety on here, so it looks like what I'll have to do is order a new frame module from SIG or whoever that has the cutout for the safety, and then I have to order the safety itself as well. Well, she finally made her appearance. I knew it was going to happen. So I had the original P365 and I sold it to my mom because she actually wanted a gun and she wanted something small enough that she can handle well. And I was like, okay, well, I had been thinking about buying the XL version anyways, so I just sold her my standard P365, and when this deal popped up, I jumped on it. So this is what it looks like. It's very nice, and I'll be taking it out to the range real soon to give it some thorough testing. Let's take a look at the trigger. Clear. All right, so that trigger is going to be about right. And this is a little bit of a different animal than my original one, because my original one had the curved trigger, and this is the flat face trigger. Okay, so let's take up, and then the brake. And then here's our reset. I mean, that's a very short reset, and it's plenty short for me. Yeah, I can make that work all day long. But you got your magazine, got your 15-shot magazine. Now this feels real good in my hand when the 15-shot is in there. It's kind of hitting my palm a little bit more, so it's giving me that little bit more sturdy stabilization in my hand. But the flush fitting 12 round, it feels good too. It's just that I'm not getting that little extension that butts up against my palm that gives it to me a little bit more stable. But this still feels good, and this is how I'll be carrying it. I'll be carrying it with the 12 round in here. I think the 15 round just kind of sticks out a little bit too much, makes it a little bit more cumbersome to carry, but I still feel like it's very doable. And of course the NRA edition comes optics ready with this cutout. The only trade-off here is, like, I think they make specific ones, but if you have to take off this whole plate to put your RMR on top of it, so you kind of lose your irons. But you know, I mean, like in most cases, I think it's just gonna be like a point and shoot type of gun, you know? So I'm happy with the irons and the way they are. I was at my local gun show, and since I was getting rid of my P365 and the holster that it came with, I picked up this other holster from my local gun show who's a leather maker. This is the holster I got for it. And it's inside the waistband, but you can also run your belt through it for outside the waistband. And it fits really good inside of it. No way it's gonna come out unless I just like furiously shake it. But that looks clean to me. Yeah. So this is going to be my new concealed carry. I'll be taking it out to the range real soon to make sure everything functions correctly. Also, I don't know if I mentioned it, but it comes with the standard X-ray night sights, which are glow in the dark. Got that green front sight, which I like a lot. Green is better than red. I've established that for me, green picks up better than red. I always avoided green because I live in the South and there's lots of greenery around everywhere, so I thought the front sight would get lost in the woods or something like that, but it's fine. It works very nicely. Something else that I like about the NRA edition and it being in the coyote tan like this is that it matches my SIG M17. So it's got like a little brother now. Yeah, they both are. What they look like. That's sexy. Look at the coyote sexiness right here. And this is my bedside gun. So yeah, looks pretty sexy together. Okay. So yeah, the only thing I'll be doing to this gun is changing out the grip module and for a safety one, and put the manual safety on the gun. Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.